tayo. Andito tayo sa Garagad dahil isi-celebrate natin ang 4th birthday ng aking inaanak na anak ni Julie Morilla, si Shania Morilla. Tara tayo guys dito sa ilog ng Garagad kasama ang Bogie family at marami pa pong iba. So guys, kung bago ka pa lang sa aking channel, wag mo pong kalimutan na i-hit ang like, subscribe button and bell button para lagi kayong updated sa aking mga bagong videos. Tara't na guys, lakad-lakad na tayo. God. At andito po ang mga Bogle. Ayan po si Jusel. Hello! Magpo-food trip po kami dito. Andulas! Ayan, tuwan-tuwa yung mga bagets. Say hi to my vlog! Happy ang mga bagets. Pas muna tayo sa dagat. Dito muna tayo sa ilog. Ayan, anak ko po yan, yung dalawang yan. Say hi! Yan, bundok po. Mainit! Ayun, nagiinom na sila guys. Ay, pero dulas. Hello guys, ayan ang Bogle Farm. Nagtatago si Bebe Bog. Kulang si Bogle inyang walay. Happy birthday, Shania! Aba, Shania! Ayan po talaga yung may birthday. Actually, ito po ang dahilan ng vlog ko. Ito pong bata na to. Hello, bebe! Say hi! Ayan guys, mga umiihi talaga yan guys.
Alam na nag-iihi. Kaya dyan, bibi.
So guys, andito po tayo makiki-food trip. Mamumungkal tayo dito ng pagkain. Kung anong handa ni Shanaya. Bebe, ito, yan, may tinapay. Wow, pansit.
Hindi naman nakano.
Wow! Ano to? Carbonara. Kasi mga pahuli-huli kami may spaghetti. At ang paborito namin, kantuhan. Nasaan na ba? Ayun pala, bebe. Say hi. Yan po si Kendra. Ako, pag dalaga mo, be, makikita mo ito. Ito ang ating bida. Hi! Tuwan-tuwa.
Hindi pa nabalik.
Sige, mag-marites kayo para marinig kayo sa video.
Uliitin ko yan.
Alisin ko naman yung views. Food trip, lapang-lapang mga bogle.
Mga baso, hugasan.
Kandok na doon, anak.
Mama, may baso? Mama, may baso? Mama, may baso? Mama, may baso?
Ayan oh, hawhawan mo.
Saan dito?
Mm-mm.
Hoy! Dahil bagay, gamit-gamit.
Uy, si Boto, may poging bata doon oh.
Plastic ba? Mama, kayo sila. Mama, kayo sila.
Ain't no motherfucker in this world could do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself, in my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you wanna taste me, you can fucking try me. If you wanna hate, you know where to find me. And if you're going hate this, you can fucking bite me. I'll be cruising in my lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, ha, nah, likely. I be taking shots, yeah, cold-blooded, icy. Watching numbers grow is what I call sightseeing. In the front row, run it up when they hype me. The following grows, they know how to ignite me. Call me CEO, I've been running right, see. And I ain't playing games, I create my own lane. Making pleasure out of pain, turning losses into gains. I'm the boss, I'm making change. I've been rocking this exchange, popping off and risking things. Gonna make a f***ing name. I just wanna be famous, but I don't want that cheap fame. No, I'm not that vain. I just wanna be greatness. I just wanna be greatness.
Hindi din ako ganun, hindi ako nakakatagal ng upo na ganyan.
Ganyan?
Talent yarn! Igiling-giling! Igiling-giling!
Kunin na daw yan ng may-ari. Yung may-ari ba ganyan? Akin nga din yung kurti.
Abutin mo na, sige, dali at bibidyohan. Timpla mo, abot mo lahat. O, irapak mo dyan sa ano. Sige, hala, fighting.
Ang bigat ng kamay ni Giselle.
Pag makasapak siguro ito, ano kaya?
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want. I'm inspired by thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want.
Padaya yan si Madimunay. Saan tayo? Saan tayo? Saan ba?
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth, can't put me down, I'll be getting loud. You can never doubt, not what I'm about, I'm your cloud. It be raining now, I keep making sound, go another round, I'm legend bound, can't stop me now.